Molweni Bafundi, lecture 11 after lecture 10 where we did the physical examination, and we are now going to look at verbs. All the verbs we have covered to date. First of all, the most important thing is that we must know what those verbs mean, and there are roughly 50 of them. We're going to use them with a positive link: ndi, u, si, ni, ba, I, and z, and then the negative links which all begin with a, andi, aku or awu, aka, asi, ani, aba, ayi, and azi, and with kwazi, being able to or knowing how to or not being able to. Here are just some examples with andi. But remember, you can use any of these as well, and we will in this exercise. Ndiyakwazi, I know how to. Andikwazi uku, I do not know how to. Andizokwazi uku, I will be unable to. Andikwazanga uku, I was unable to. And then we will use the verbs with xa, meaning when, and there are a few comments that we need to make there. So let's look at, first of all, the verbs from suka through to goduka. Ndisuka, andisuki, ndiyakwazi uku, ... Xa ndisuka when I go away from. Hlala, uhlala, you live. Akuhlali, you do not live. Akukwazi ukuhlala, you are not able to live. Xa uhlala, when you live. And of course the sentence will continue. Funda, be careful here. Ufunda, that is somebody who is learning, he. So Mike. Akafundi, akakwazi ukufunda, he is unable to learn. Xa funda. Okay, there we use instead of u. Fundela, sifundela, asifundeli. Asikwazi ukufundela, we are unable to study for. Xa sifundela, when we are studying towards. Ya, go to. Niya, you are going to. Aniyi, you are not going to. Anikwazi ukuya, you are not able to go to. And xa ni siya, the si, when you go to, let's say, a library, the little verb ya being one syllable, and there are more, will have a si which will creep in between. Goduka, baya goduka, they are going home. Abagoduki, they are not going home. Abakwazi ukugoduka, they cannot go home. Xa be goduka, when they go home. So where we used ba there, with xa we used be. Where we used u there, with xa we use e. And then from hamba through to zama. Ndiyahamba, andihambi, andikwazi ukuhamba, xa ndihamba. Sala does not work very well, so we'll leave it out. Vela, come from. Utata uvela, akaveli. Doesn't work well with kwazi. Xa umama the u changing to vela, when mom comes from. Azi, siyayazi, we know. Asiyazi, we don't know. Does not work well there. Xa siyazi, when we know, ... Teta. Niyateta, niteta isiXhosa. So when we have a full stop after the verb, you will have ya. Then the sentence ends there. Take the full stop away and continue the sentence. We get the following. Niteta isiXhosa. Aniteti, twice. Doesn't matter if it was niyateta, it will become aniteti. andizokwazi, I will be unable to speak. It should be ni, not ndi. Xa nithetha, and when you speak. Zama, try. Bayazama, full stop. They are trying. Bazama ukuthetha isiXhosa. They are trying to speak isiXhosa. And then we have abazami. They are not trying. They are not trying to speak isiXhosa. Xa bezama, when they try. So there the ba has once more become be. Then looking at verbs from vuka to qala. Ndivuka ngo-9, I get up at 9. Andivuki, I do not. Andikwazi ukuvuka, I cannot get up. Xa ndivuka, when I get up. Uphunga iti, are you drinking tea? Akuphungi iti, are you not drinking tea? Akuzokwazi ukuphunga. Aku, you will not be able to have a hot drink. Xa uphunga, when you have a hot drink. Somebody or other, uyasela, somebody or other is having something to drink. We can put a full stop there. And when we continue the sentence, the ya falls away. Whoever it may be, sela amanzi, is drinking water. The person, akaseli, is not drinking water. Akakwazanga ukusela amanzi, he was unable to drink water. Xa sela amanzi, not xa but xa Sula, siyasula, we are wiping or cleaning something or other. We've just used the example of imilomo, our mouths. Asisuli, asikwazi uku, we are unable to. Xa sisula, when we wipe or clean. Look now at tya. Niyatya, sentence ends, we have ya. Sentence continues, we take away the ya. Nitya isonka, are you eating bread? Aniki, are you not eating? Anizokwazi, you will not be able to. And xa ni si kya, there the si creeps in because of the fact that the kya is a verb once more with one syllable. And then qala, to begin. Baqala ukusebenza, they start working at 9. Abaqali, they do not start at 9. Abakwazanga ukuqala, they were unable to start at 9. Xa beqala, when they begin, the ba becoming be. And so you can look at the rest of the verbs. Sebenza, work. Phangela, earn a living. Bona, see. Fika, arrive. Phuma, go out. Thanda, like or love. Funa, want or need. Buza, to ask. Bala, write. Baleka, run. Khawuleza, hurry. Dlala, play. Gula, be ill. Khathazwa, be troubled. Bonisa, show. Mka, leave or depart. Chisa, burn. Hlaba, stab. Qaqamba, throb. Luma, bite or cramp. Phefumla, breathe. Phumla, rest. Khohlela, cough. Traina, exercise. Lala, lie down or sleep. Zithuma, go to the toilet. Goba, bend. Phakamisa, raise or lift. Shukuma, move. Shukumisa, move something. Cinezela, press. Jika, turn. Zalisa, fill in or complete. the form, or fill a glass of water, zalisa. Saina, sign. And all of these verbs we have used in a positive statement with an a ending, in a negative statement with an I ending, and then we have used quasi in 3 different ways. Quasi able to or unable to, depending whether you have a positive or a negative link. Zokwazi uku, will be unable to. Kwazanga, was able or was unable to. And then when we use a, it worked quite normally until you got to u for he or she, it became e. The ba became be, and verbs with 1 syllable, and we only used 2 verbs, si, to go to, and kya, a si, as we say, creeps in. So enkosi kakhulu. But before we go, we just take note of the fact that these words have been used with adverbs such as kakhulu, you do things a lot, kancinci, a little, kakuhle, with difficulty, kakuhle, you do it well, and nzima, with difficulty, as well as with words referring to time, ngoku, you do things now, do things today, did things yesterday, tomorrow, ngomso, ekuseni, that is when you do your early morning exercise at dawn, kusasa, in the morning, emini, during the day, emva or phambi kwedinala, before or after dinner, ngokuhlwa, in the evening, ebusuku, at night, ngomvulo, on a Monday, ngolwesibini, on a Tuesday, ngolwesithathu, Wednesday, ngolwesine, Thursday, ngolwesihlanu, Friday, ngomgqibelo, Saturday, ngecawa, on Sunday, ngo-9 at a particular time, ngo-March in a particular month, ngo-2016 during a particular year, as well as the questioning words njani, how, pi, where, nabani, with whom, ntoni, what, nini, when, and ngoku, now, and the other one is ngapi, meaning how many. So once more, enkosi kakhulu bafundi, hambani kakuhle.